Aloha, Tom Gaddis here, and thanks so much for stopping by Remote Client Systems. On behalf of my business partner, Nick Ponte, and the entire Offline Sharks family, we're super excited you're here, and we're super excited to bring you Remote Client System. So what is Remote Client System? Well, as you know, sitting around waiting for clients to magically appear doesn't work. You cannot get clients that way. But what if you're not in a position to go out and meet with clients face-to-face or to pick up the phone and call them? What do? How do you bring clients in? Well, that's what Remote Client System is all about. We show you how to identify, reach out to, build trust and authority with, and prospect clients that you don't have to meet face-to-face, pick up the phone to call, or send cold emails. Everything is done remotely. This system actually was put together by one of our private coaching students, Tom Buford. And Tom took some of the strategies and tactics he learned from us, and he basically put them on steroids and made an easily repeatable and profitable system to bring new clients into your agency without doing all that face-to-face and all that kind of stuff. Now, I want you to meet Tom Buford. So here's Tom.
Hey there, I'm Tom Buford, and I guess you could call me the new guy in town. Well, not when it comes to local marketing, but this business of producing an agency training product is brand new to me. In fact, if it weren't for Tom and Nick, I might not be here talking to you right now. You see, I've been in their local Shark Alliance for some time, and I decided to do a very simple thing. I applied what they were teaching, and I got some big results. You'll read more about that on this page, and don't skip anything because it's worth knowing all the details. Anyway, my success caught the Sharks' attention, and they asked me to share some tips with their group, which I was happy to do. And that really opened up the floodgates. I got emails, text messages, Facebook messages, and some days I expected to have rookie consultants standing on my doorstep wanting help. It was crazy. Then Tom and Nick said, hey, listen, why don't you explain everything you do and bundle it up as a course? We could offer that to all of our members. And after more thought, we decided to tell the local marketers on Warrior Plus, and I started working on this training project. It turned out much bigger and even better than I expected. My goal was to put a brand new rookie or experienced pro in front of their computer screen, have them watch these videos, use the other tools, remember I said there's a lot, and have them go out that week and land a client or two or three. And I can tell you that it's been exciting and we're getting great reports all the time. Between you and me, I knew this would work. Listen, I do it myself and I'll never quit. It's just too lucrative. Now it's your turn. Get in on something completely new, different, and powerful, something that just plain works. So please join me, Nick, and Tom and experience my first local training product. If you're a fast decision maker, you can save substantially by acting right now. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside. And on behalf of Tom, Nick, and myself, welcome aboard.
Now that you've heard from Tom, you can see Tom's just an average person, right? He's a normal guy with 2 kids. He used to be a former auto technician, and he's been able to effectively bring new clients into his agency at a crazy pace. And you can do the same thing when you pick up Remote Client System, because inside we show you everything that Tom is doing. We give you his scripts, we give you templates, we show you the entire process, we hold nothing back. Plus, Tom reveals his A+ hunting grounds for new prospects. And one of these, by the way, we had never thought of before, and I'm pretty sure you've never thought of it either. It's not Google, it's not Facebook, and it's not LinkedIn, but it's a place where people are actively raising their hands and saying, hey, I need your help. Tom has a way to target these people specifically and use Remote Client System to bring them into his agency, and he's crushing it with it. Now, right now, Remote Client System is on a special 4-day launch pricing. So if you want to get it for the lowest price, make sure you scroll down and click the buy button. But it only lasts for 4 days. Now, we also want to make sure that you're set up for success. So we're also throwing in a special bonus. This is a custom software that Nick and I created called Local Fee Finder. Local Fee Finder allows you to easily and quickly pre-qualify the prospects coming in. Find out things like when they want to get started, how much their budget is, without, again, having to talk to them face to face. It takes all the guesswork out of pricing and bringing new clients on board. Right now, Local Fee Finder sells for $197 on our website. You can go check that out. But if you grab Remote Client System today, you get it absolutely for free. So, What are you waiting for? Scroll down the page, check out what's on here, click the buy button, pick up Remote Client System today, and we'll see you on the inside. Aloha.